Hello everyone, a warm good morning to all of you. Hope you all are good, and would like to welcome to all to our the the most expected question. Okay, most expected question of political theory. So it's a very happy moment for all of us that we uh, did cover. Okay, we did cover all the topic with respect to our political theory, the syllabus of SSB political science Odisha. So now the times is about the test. Okay, so most expected question. So I am very excited for this lesson. Hope you all are with same kind of enthusiasm. Okay, so without delay, let's start. So far we have discussed what we discussed. So as mentioned in the syllabus, that in political theory we cover the nature of political theory, evolution, growth, behavioralism, decline and resurgence, and contemporary trends. Okay, then we also cover the state, its origin, function and role, followed by political concept, law, liberty, equality, justice, rights. Moving to the political ideology, where we did discuss the liberalism, socialism, communism and feminism. Come to the democracy, there we discuss the perspectives and prospects of democracy. We have also discussed the environmentalism and elitism. So these are your topic which mentioned in the syllabus of under the political theory, and all these class have already covered by me. If you have not covered this, please go and cover that class. Okay, these are available in our YouTube channel. So there was a playlist on political theory, so you need to just go and watch that. Okay, and I have also like share with my in my Telegram ID, so there you can also avail the uh, the playlist along with the all PDF of the political theory. Okay, so this is the so far we have come to this like stage. Okay, now before letting know you the questions, before attending the questions, so there are few of general rule. Okay, so for practicing the question there is a few general rule, and this general rule I have already shared with you last night. So we need to take it our consideration the fourth thing. Okay, while we solving the questions, the first thing is that please be with you a MCQ paper practice. Okay, like we know that our SSP examination is based on MCQ. Okay, that is how the OMR. Okay, so OMR. Okay, so it would be the OMR. So please all try to attend this question through OMR, because we need to appear in the examinations with OMR. Okay, so why not we should prepare from here only, because their practice should require, because without practice there was a lot of problem in examination to fill up the OMR boxes. Okay, or the such kind of the what the circling. Okay, so most of people facing the issue in examinations with respect to OMR. So we need to like do the practice question through OMR. So it is the first principle and it is compulsory to all of you. So please bring, if you have not bring, please stop this class and go print out a OMR copy, then sit for the practice questions. That is more appropriate for the your examination. Okay, then moving to the next point, this is clear so far we have discussed. Moving to the next point, each question carry 1.5 mark. Okay, like in SSB each question carry 1.5 mark. Okay, then Moving to the next, there is a negative mark with a 0.5 for each wrong work. Okay, there is also negative mark, but in UGC net, no negative mark, no negative mark. And most of people are not qualified the examination due to the negative marking in the last attempt. Okay, in the last attempt. So our focus that whenever you are dealing with such any question, that you should attempt it very seriously, and you have to sure that this question are known to you. Okay, otherwise you should skip it, because as I said, there is a negative mark 0.5. Okay, so this the whole structure. Then moving to the total question, which we'll discuss in this session. Total 40 questions, total 40 question, and each question carry 1.5 marks. That means total 60 marks. Okay, total 60 marks. And believe me, it is going to be a marathon like sessions, and each and everyone should attempt it very careful and very serious way, because if you want to crack the examination, you need to be serious here. And all those questions are not come from any PYQ. These are all fresh question, and there is a difficulty level question and also the moderate questions according to the need of the examination. Okay, okay. So I will provide 30 seconds for each and every questions. Within that question, you need to be circulate your box. Okay, your OMR, the such box. Then after that, I will tell the what is the answer of particular questions. Okay. So hope you all clear with respect to these general rules. If it is clear, then we will switch to our question practice of the today sessions. Okay, and before starting, would like to tell you one thing, that try to share the your feedback, okay, with respect to how many score did you score. And I will also compare with the different score among the our subscriber. Okay, because there should be a competitive feelings. Okay, then it will be helpful to you, like to sustain the exam pressures. Okay, so that is the main idea. So this is all about the general discussion and the general concern with respect to our the today MCQ practice. And on this note, would like to start our discussion. So let's start. So first question in front of you, please read it. I will also read with you. Which among the following thinker not belongs to the resurgence of political theory? Option A, Hannah Arendt. Option B, Robert Nozick. Option C, David Heston. Option D, all of the above. So try to circle your OMR answer sheet. So hope you are able to do that. And here time is off. So let me provide the correct answer. So the correct answer for this question, that not belong to resurgence of the political theory, is basically David Heston, option C. Okay, option C. So moving to the next question, which among the following is incorrect about the decline of political theory? Okay, decline of political theory. Option A, it was started during the post First World War with the writing of David Heston. Option B, it believes reinvention of normative political thought. Option C, post behavioralism was critique to the decline of political thought debate. Then you need to find out from this option code. 1 ABC, 2 ACD, 3 A and C, 4 ABCD. Okay, you need to find the incorrect one. So guys, let me change a small thing in the option. Okay, so there I did a small change, that option 1 A and B, option 2 A C D, 3 A and C, and 4 A B C D. Okay, so you need to find the incorrect one with respect to decline of political theory. So your time is off, and hope you able to circulate properly. And if you are not able to circulate within this time, then you should connect with me, then I can do a small reform here. Okay, so answer of this question is basically option 1, that A and B. Okay, A and B is the answer, that they asked the question incorrect. Moving to the next question, who among the following made a major contribution to resurgence of the political theory? Okay, so choose appropriate one. Okay, so major contribution to the resurgence of political theory: option A Hannah Arendt, option B John Rawls, option C Robert Nozick, and D none of the above. Your time is off. So who did a major contribution to research in the political theory? Option B John Rawls. Okay, John Rawls. Okay, so this kind of question was asked in your last year examination also. Then moving to the next, identify the odd one. Option A natural right theory John Locke, overlapping consensus John Rawls, Murray Rothbard anarcho capitalism, feminism, personalism, political. So you need to find the odd one. Okay, the question is about odd one, not the incorrect. Okay, so there was no need to find incorrect, but you need to find the among the four options which is not related to the things, odd one. And here the time is off, so the answer of this question is option D. Okay, option D. So let me explain this question. Natural right theory, overlapping consensus, Murray Rothbard, these all belongs to the liberalism ideology. These all belongs to the liberalism ideology, but this one is odd one because it belongs to the feminism ideology. Okay, okay, so this kind of question was asked in your last SSB examination. Okay, take. So moving to the next question, so answer of this question is option D. Okay, moving to the next question, that question 5, Seneca Falls Convention is associated with option A political rights, option B women rights, option C transgender rights, option D all of the above. Seneca Falls Convention. And the time is off, so answer of this question is basically option B. Okay, option B, that Seneca Falls Convention related to the women rights. Okay, okay, so the year you should also remember, that is 1848. Okay, 1848. Okay, okay, moving to the next question, question number 6. So don't confuse with this number because I need to also know the time second, that's why I wish to write down here. Okay, so don't confuse this number, this is not related to you. Okay, so question that consider the following statement about feminism and choose incorrect. Okay, incorrect one. Option A, feminism as a political ideology born during the 20th century and 19th century and 20th century for the welfare of the women. Option B, it promotes the right of women over men. Option C, it is not antithetical to mainstream ideology. Option D, Betty Friedan was a socialist feminist thinker. Okay, so try to find the incorrect answer. I hope you all are visualize this question very neat and clearly. So here your time is So you can take or 5 seconds because it's very lengthy question. So here the time is off, and the answer of this question, that incorrect one, so it was incorrect. So option A you can eliminate. So option A you can eliminate, then answer directly you get. Option 2 is the answer. Okay, sometimes you need to also use the elimination method. Okay, so this was your 6 questions. Then question number 7, here is the your match the list type question, thinker and the book. This side thinker, this side book. Okay, so here there is the options, so just read and try to match. So this side thinker, this side book. Jeremy Bentham, Missa Berlin, Michael Sandel, Harold Lasky books. Two concept of liberty, liberalism and limits to growth, a grammar of politics, the principle of morals and legislations. And here the time is off. Hope you are able to do circulate your OMR sheet. So first Jeremy Bentham, the principle of moral and legislations. So option A. So this is what the option A is the answer. By one matching we could able to do the circulate. Okay, so this is the trick to remember the further attending match of the following questions. Okay, moving to the next question. In the era of post behavioralism, uh, identify the scholar who reinterpreted Marxist understanding with analysis of contemporary circumstance and consider Marxism as a still meaningful enterprise. Option A Karl Marx, B Gramsci, C Marx Horkheimer, D Jürgen Habermas. Okay, so we have already discussed this concept. Hope you all there. So if you have not attended the question of this concept, so go and watch that, because you have already discussed so far. So this question is concerned. So here the time is off. So answer of this question is basically option D, Jürgen Habermas. Okay, do remember that he considered Marxism as a still meaningful enterprise. As there was also a question in your examination that he was considered himself as a last Marxist. Okay, this statement also can be asked. Marxism is a still meaningful enterprise. Who consider Jürgen Habermas? Okay. Then moving to the next question, question number 9. Consider the following statement and choose incorrect. So you need to find the incorrect. Option A, John Austin is known as father of English jurisprudence. Option B, approaches to legal realities beliefs law comes from the past and old principle, custom and traditions. Option C, Jeremy Bentham belongs to the approaches to the legal realities. Option D, natural law school is based on objective moral principle. So guys, you need to find the incorrect option. Okay, incorrect. Okay, you need to find the incorrect, and here the code available. So go through this. And here is the time is off, so you need to find incorrect one. So option 1, option A is correct. John Austin, we know English jurisprudence. Okay, then approaches to legal reality beliefs law come from the past and old principle. No, it is the historical school of law. Okay, historical school of law, so that's why it is incorrect. Then Jeremy Bentham belongs to the approaches to legal realities. No, we have discussed that Jeremy Bentham belongs to the what, the analytical school of law. Okay, analytical school of analytical positivist school of law. Okay, we have already discussed in the concept of law. Okay, that's why I was telling to you, please watch the class seriously. Then option D, natural law school is based on objective moral principle. Yes, it is obviously correct. So accordingly our answer would be the what, B and C. So because they asked the question incorrect, so option 4 is the answer. Okay, option 4 is the answer. Okay, then moving to the next question. Which among the following belongs to Western thought of school of law. Western thought school of law. Option A, approaches to legal realities. Option B, approaches sociological jurist. Option C, natural law school. Option D, analytical positivist school of law. Okay, you need to find the Western thought of school of law. Okay, here is the option. So here we go with this time. So try to circulate your OMR sheet. And here the time is off. Hope you are able to circulate your OMR sheet. Okay, so the answer is basically, guys, all of the above. Okay, legal realities, sociological jurist, natural law school, positivist school of law. So all are correct. Option D. Okay, option 2. Okay, option 2, all are the correct. A, B, C, D. Okay, then moving to the next question. Who said political association or commonwealth set off as a result of social contract to protect and further the natural rights? Okay, it's very easy question, so you need to find the keyword here. Okay, option A, Rawls. B, John Locke. C, Hobbes. So D, Rousseau. So your time is off. So answer of this question is basically option B. So keyword natural right, John Locke, obviously all we know. So moving to the next question, consider the following statement and choose incorrect. Option A, divine origin theory of state found in writing of Manu, Bosset, Robert Fillmore. B, historical evolutionary theory of state believes state is a man-made institution. C, pluralist theory of state is based on the assumption that the state is an association of association. And option D, all of the above. So find your answer. Here the time is off. So answer of this question is option B. Historical and evolutionary theory of state believes the state is a man-made institution. No, the state is a man-made institution. This thought belongs to the social contract theory of state. Okay, social contract theory of state. Okay, historical evolutionary theory of state believes the state is created on the process of the gradual, okay, gradual development, the stages of the development. Okay, like we can say that Hegel's the idea of historical theory of states stages. Okay, the Karl Marx, okay, historical evolutionary theory of state. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, so moving to the next question. Who said legal liberty just because it is legal, it is not an absolute or unconditional liberty? The need of liberty for each is necessarily qualified and conditioned by need of liberty for all. So who can say this thing? Option A, Isaiah Berlin. Option B, Ernest Barker. Option D, T.H. Green. Option D, G.D.H. Cole. Okay, so I have already, guys, I have already provided the content, okay, with you, where I have mentioned properly with the table. Okay, so different thinker and the statement with respect to liberty, rights. So here the time is off. So answer of this question is obviously option B, Ernest Barker. Okay, Ernest Barker. So moving to the next question. Who wrote a book essay? Who wrote a book the essay like? Who wrote a book the two concept of liberty? Okay, so you need to find the all know Berlin. Okay, say Berlin, but you need to find the year. Okay, option A, Berlin, 1958, 1960, 1967, and 1988. Two concept of liberty. So try to provide the answer, because it's a famous question and there is a chance they can ask the year. Okay, you will ask me, sir, need to remember all year? No, the famous ones like concept of liberty, two concept of liberty, theory of justice, these one you need to remember. And here is the time is off. So answer of this question is option A, Berlin, who wrote a like book Two Concept of Liberty in 1958. Okay, 1958. Okay, then moving to the next question. While criticizing Rawls' argument, who commented progressive taxation as a bonded labor? Again, very easy questions. Try to provide the answer quickly. And along with it, try to circulate your OMR sheet, because at the end you need to let you know that how many questions you did correct with you. Okay, just take it as a you are sitting in exam hall. Okay. And here is the time is off. So obviously the progressive taxation as a bonded labor, none other than C, option C, Robert Nozick. Okay, so okay guys, we have a discussed so far so the 15 question, and now you have to solve the remaining here the 25 questions. So before that, would like to request to all of you, kindly subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed, and if you like this kind of question as like exam uh, level oriented questions, so please press the bell icon and also subscribe our channel, because you will get more video and more content in upcoming session. Okay, so let's start without delay, and take 1 minute to subscribe, then come to and like and also share with your friend. Okay, they can also attend. Okay, fine, let's move to the next question. Question number 16, choose incorrect pair. Okay, option A, global resource divide, Thomas Pogge. Option B, sexual contract, Carol Gilligan. Option C, Michael Walzer, sphere of justice. Option D, Robert Nozick, anarchy state and utopia. So choose incorrect pair. These are all important questions. Okay, and we are in a systematic way. You cannot find any such platform where they are covering these all syllabus with systematic way with respect to SSB examination. So try to always continue with us if you really want to crack the SSB this time or PGT this time. Okay, so this time we need success definitely, because we are preparing for this very dedicatedly way. Okay, so your time is off. So answer of this question is option B, because we all know and we have also discussed a sexual contract book written by Carol Patman. Okay, Carol Patman. So don't make a silly mistake in this question, because it's a very scoring questions. Okay, so moving to the next question, question number 17. Consider the following statement and choose incorrect. Okay, incorrect. Option A, rights are justified claim of individual which have no relation to society. Option B, natural theory of right origin from the human reason and the intuitions. Option C, Immanuel Kant is proponent of historical theory of rights. Option D, rights are not absolute in nature. So you need to find the incorrect one. And guys, here time is off. So answer is that like option A is correct, incorrect, because it's not, no right cannot be against the society, we have already discussed. Option B is correct. Okay, then Immanuel Kant, no, not historical theory of right. It's belong to the, can anyone tell me Immanuel Kant belong to which theory of right? Hope you know, moral right, moral theory of right. Okay, Immanuel Kant, T.H. Green. Okay, and rights are not absolute in nature, obviously it is correct. So then our answer would be option here we can say A and C. Okay, A and C, option 2 is the answer. Okay, so you need to conceptual clarity. Okay, go and watch. If you have a incorrect, make incorrect, go and watch the class very seriously. Okay, then moving to the next question. Choose incorrect pair. Option A, Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1958. Option B, Convention on Elimination of All Form of Discrimination Against Women 1981. Option C, International Convention on Civil and Political Rights 1966. Option D, International Convention on Social and Political Rights 1966. So you need to find incorrect one. Okay. And believe me, these all things have discussed in our class. If you are a serious aspirant, then you could able to score this question very nice way. And here the time is off. So here the uh, answer of this question is option A, because we all know UDHR 1948. Okay, 1948. And can you tell me the month of it? Month of it's December 10. Okay, December 10. There is a 30 article. Okay, we have all discussed these things because there was a chance they can ask. Then again with you a match of following question. So let me zoom it. Okay, hope it visualize to all of you. So this side the statement and this side the thinker. Like a right is a claim recognized by society and enforced by the state. Law is an aggregate of rules set up by the man particularly politically superior to the mentioned as political subject. Family is the first institution of justice. All other freedom become useless and the fruitless in the absence of economic liberty. This side the thinker, you need to match that which thinker can be related to this statement. I hope you all are attempting this question through circulating the OMR sheet, because our objective to practice. So here the sorry, my mistake guys, I did not show you the required option, so please go through it. Okay, so you can get extra time here because I hide the option here. Hope like it visualized to you. And believe me, these questions are take like lot of time to frame, because there was to need to collect the different thing and frame the question very critically way, because you are going to be SSP lecture and the examiner is not going to provide you lot of questions, so you need to be twist and turn here and there. But we should prepare in such a way that whatever they will ask, we will try to kick out this question. So your time is off. Let's start matching. A right is claimed by recognized by society and enforced by the state. Obviously it's all know Bansakwet. Okay, so Bansakwet. Then law is an aggregate. You can easily match if you know this one also. You can easily match option A IV and also B option IV Roman letter. Then law is an aggregate of rules set by man political superior to the man as a political subject. So it is John Austin, we have already discussed. So and accordingly our answer like then we need to also, because option is very critical, we need to match all the things. And family is the first institution of justice, Susan Molly Hawkin obviously. So accordingly you can match option B is the answer. So hope you are able to attempt this question correctly. So don't worry if you have not correctly appeared this question. You should go through the note which have I already shared in the Telegram ID. So do join that Telegram ID. Then moving to the next question, which is not a type of inequality according to Rousseau. Okay, according to Rousseau, option A natural inequality, option B non-conventional inequality, option C conventional inequality, option D social inequality. So you need to find which is not a type. Okay, so as I said to you guys that I have not covered the equality class, so you need to cover this thing through this question only. Okay, because I have also other work, I have to also give time to these also. Okay, so that's why the equality topic was not covered by me, but you should attend this question and I will let you know the answer, and if there is a question then you are good to go. Okay, so here the time is off. Not Rousseau basically inequality. So Rousseau basically talks about two type of inequality. One is the natural inequality, another one is the conventional inequality. N for natural, C for conventionals. Let understand this concept. Natural inequality means like from the birth, okay, someone tall, someone short, someone black, someone white, okay, someone very intellectual, someone like dull. Okay, so from the birth, any kind of inequality with respect to our race, our color, our physical, okay, so that is how natural inequality, and that cannot be basically changeable, that cannot be alterable, okay, changeable, which is like always there in the society. That is how natural inequality, okay. But on other hand, C for conventional inequality, the inequality which is created by the society on basis of caste, on basis of your income, on basis of your religion, on basis of your ethnicity, that is conventional inequality. Okay, the inequality which is created in society by using your natural inequality like color, like caste, okay, so that is basically known as the conventional inequality. Okay, that is the like associated with the political theory. And Rousseau in his book The Discourse on Origin of Inequality, okay, please write down the name of the book, Discourse on Origin of Inequality, talks about two kind of inequality. One is natural inequality, another one is the conventional inequality. So accordingly our answer of this question is basically option what? Option what? So natural and conventional, but they ask the question not. So non-conventional and social inequality is not related to the Rousseau. B and D. Okay, B and D. So option 3 is the answer. Okay, very simple. Okay, then moving to the next question. uh, Equality of opportunity concept was supported by option A, thinker under Marxism, thinker under liberal doctrine, option C, thinker under communitarianism, option D, thinker under socialist. Okay, so equality of opportunity concept was supported by whom? And here is the time is of equality of opportunity. The concept was supported by. So before that, let understand equality. Within this equality there are two concepts. One is equality of opportunity, O means opportunity. Another one is equality of outcome. O2 means outcome, O2 means opportunity. Okay, so what is equality of opportunity? Equality of opportunity means that each and every people get same kind of equality, irrespective of you are like disabled, you are the poor people, you are talent, you are rich people, all will get the same kind of a treatment. For example, in the examination, all people are get the same kind of questions, same kind of the things. That is how equality of opportunity. But equality of outcome, when uh, basically our result, okay, if our result is also equal, then it is equality of outcome. Okay, so let example, for example, equality of opportunity, like in current society we are living under the equality of opportunity, in which we all get the equal kind of the opportunity to appear in SSB examinations, to get the same kind of question. All candidates get the same kind of question, and also all get the 100 question, the same kind of times. But you will ask me, sir, disabled person get the more extra times, they get the help from a scribe. Okay, that basically created by in our society through the uh, equity, concept of equity. That means to make the people to realize their liberty. Okay, that is how equity. Or we can take the example of reservations. But according to equality of opportunity, the result is not going to be like equal. Say for example, another example here, we will appear in SSB examination, but we all know all is not going to qualify. That is how equality of opportunity, we will all get chance to appear. That is how equality of opportunity, but your result is going to be not equal. But equality of outcome talks about we all will get the chance to appear or get the equal liberty, we will also get the equal result also. No matter you are how much talented or hard work or the things. Equality of outcome scholar talks that all people will be appear in SSB examination and all need to be qualified in SSB examination according to equality of outcome concept. So it's a very idle concept. So this is not going to be possible in real sense. Okay, so if you think that sir, if it is possible, then it is bole. So it is not that kind of thing. So equality of opportunity concept was supported by the thinker of the liberal doctrine, option B. Okay, option B. Why I am letting to explain this concept, because we did not cover in our class, that's why we are covering the equality concept here only. Okay, sometimes we are going to cover the different thing through questions. Okay, and believe me, in upcoming sessions I will bring with such a unique kind of session where I will try to infuse different kind of concept and thinker within our class, which I have not covered in the session or theory. Okay, because there is a limited time in the session and theory, so I don't want to take any more time. So you are very excited to attend the question. So here you go with the basically your 22 questions. Question number 22: choose incorrect pair. German social democracy Germany, Fabian socialism England, guild socialism England, and syndicalism Germany. So you need to find the incorrect pair. Okay, the different the theory of socialism and their like the year, the like country where that is was famous or started. And guys, here the time is off, so the answer of this question is option D, syndicalism. As we already discussed, the syndicalism is not Germany, it is related to France. Okay, France. Okay, France. So we have already discussed these things. So go and watch your class under socialism. In evolutionary socialism we have discussed that things. That's why I am telling to you, please join the class. Okay, attend the class. By solving only the question, you are not going to able to crack. So moving to the next question: consider the following statement and choose incorrect. Socialism is a counter ideology to capitalism. It violates the social justice, social ownership, equality are the core of it. Okay, correct? No, it's core. Then option D, evolutionary socialism is radical in nature. So you need to find incorrect one, and here is the option. I hope it's visible to you. Hope guys, hope you all are attending the question by circulating your OMR sheet. And your time is off. So here is the answer, incorrect one we need to find. So option A obviously correct. And it violate the social justice? No, socialism not violate the social justice, so it was incorrect. Social ownership, equality are the core of it, it's correct. Evolutionary socialism is radical in nature? No, evolutionary socialism by its name only it is evolutionary in nature, it is gradual in nature, it was peaceful in nature, it is not radical. Radical was Marxism, radical is scientific socialism. Okay, so you need to understand that thing, and the answer is the basically B and D. Okay, option 2 is the answer. Okay, so here we need to a conceptual clarity. Okay, this was not a new thing, we have already discussed that thing in our class. Okay, moving to the next question: who wrote a book Capitalism, Socialism and Democracy? Lot of questions. So so option A, Charles Fourier, option B, Joseph A. Schumpeter, option C, Robert Owen, and option D, G.H. Cole. Okay, similarly in our examination also there is a some question which very easy, there is a some question which very confusing in nature. So when we need to maintain a balance. Okay, and guys, here the time is off. So option B, Joseph A. Schumpeter wrote a book Capitalism, Socialism and Democracy. Okay, then next question: Robert Michels belonged to option A, Italian school of elitism, option G, German born elite scholar, option C, European elite scholar, option D, all of the above. Okay, hope you all are enjoying, okay, with this question. And this is the unique questions, okay. You cannot find these questions anywhere, I can guarantee you. Okay, this was framed by me only. So sometimes we need to like recognize ourselves, because no one is here to recognize me. I am making video, I am like making question, I am making all things, and I also recognize my work, dedication, all things. So sometimes we need to like do that thing. So here the time is off. So answer is D, all of the above. Okay. So most of you surprise all of the his answer, because he belong to Italian school. As I said, he German born elite scholar, and he also belong to the European elite scholar, because German is in the Europe continent only, na. So that is why here the question are twist and turn. Okay. Then moving to next, the match of the following question. So here you go with this question. Perito, Mosca, Gasset, James Bonham, then decide the concept ruling class, revolt of masses, managerial revolution, circulation of elites. This is your option A. And guys, time is off. So answer of this question, let match Pareto, circulation of elite, Mosca, the ruling class. Okay, okay. Then your Gasset, the revolt of masses. Then Burnham, the managerial revolution. Here the answer is option B. Okay. So it's very like easy question. We have already discussed. Moving to the next question. Question that who among the following thinkers said the 20th century masses were dominated in society and they should surrender the power at the feet of an intellectual independent leader? Option A, Perito, B, Mosca, C, Gasset, and D, all of the above. Recently in the last session we have discussed this concept, and I was also provided to you the example of our honorable prime ministers. Okay, so I still remember, hope you all provide the answer correctly. And here is the time is off, and answer of this question is option C, Gasset. Okay, so Gasset. So moving to the next question, which among the following thinkers subscribe to the participatory form of democracy? Okay, so option A, T.H. Green, option B, Carol Patman, option C, Benjamin Barber, option D, C.B. Marferson. Okay, so here the option, so you need to provide the answers. So participatory form of democracy, I have already shared with you a content there, the type of democracy, the concept of it, the thinker, okay, all the things have been discussed in the class. That's why I am telling, go and watch the class, okay, don't miss any class, because I don't want to miss any class for you guys. So here the time is off, that you can use the elimination method here. THA Green obviously cannot be there. Okay, all the thing Benjamin Barber, the Carol Patman, C.B. Marferson, they are belong to the participatory theory of democracy. B, C, D, option B is the answer. Moving to the next question. Consider the following statement and choose the correct. Okay, election is a tool of the representative democracy. Option B, elitism is antithetical to value of democracy. Option C, representative democracy is based on toleration, ideal speech situation, dialogue, discussion, and debate, as these are also part of liberal democracy. Option D, meaning of democracy in ancient times is equivalent to the meaning of democracy in 20th century. So you need to find the correct one. Okay. because this kind of question was asked in your examination. If you remember, last time they asked the questions liberal democracy. uh, so here the time is off, guys. So the correct one, election is tool of repentant democracy, correct. Elitism is antithetical to value of democracy, correct. And here see, repentant democracy is based on toleration, ideal speech, situation, no. Okay, the toleration, ideal speech, situation, dialogues, discussion is related to the deliberative democracy, and deliberative democracy is a familiar to refining the concept of the liberal democracy, where the people get the deliberation, debate, dialogue, discussion. We have already discussed that thing. So option C is incorrect, and option D is also incorrect, because the concept of democracy in Greek society is different to the concept of democracy in the like modern society, or the contemporary society, so or 20th century. So that's why like option A and B is only answer, so option 3 is answer. Okay, moving to the next question. Match of the following, this side the different statement said by thinker and the name of the thinker. Okay, so democracy is the only an experiment in government. Power never trickle down to masses. Ecology as green politics. State is the highest form of political association. And this said thinker Aristotle, Lawrence Lowell, Ferrito, and Andrew Dawson. And here is the time is off. So democracy is only an experiment in government, so it is the Lowell. Okay, so it is the Lowell. So by one option you can get the answer, option C is answer. It's very easy question, and you can match the things like power never trickle down to the masses, Pareto, ecology as green politics, Andrew Dawson. Okay, state is the highest association of the political association, Aristotle. Okay, so we have been discussed successfully the question 30. Okay, question 30. Okay, 30 number question. Again here, hope you all are following our general rule and principles. Okay, okay, and I would like to request to all of you guys, please subscribe our channels and press the bell icon if you have not do that thing, because this thing is help to me for growth of my channel. So without delay, let's start. Next question. Who wrote a book Green Political Thought? Okay, quickly everyone, within 15 seconds, because it is one liner questions. And here is the what, time is off. Okay, so it's the Andrew Dawson, option B, Green Political Thought, wrote by Andrew Dawson. Okay, moving to the next question. So consider the following statement and choose correct. Deep ecology believes on environmentalism, sustainable growth, and anthropocentric. Option B, deep ecology try to adjust with modernity. Option C, shallow ecology believes humans are equal to other creatures. Option D, ecologism as a contemporary political ideology became famous in the 1870s. So you need to find the correct. And here the time is off, and guys, let me know the answer, let me tell you the answer. None of them are correct. Okay, all are incorrect, none of them are correct, all are incorrect. Let you explain. The deep ecology believes on environmentalism, sustainable growth, anthropocentric. No, deep ecology critical to the anthropocentric, so it is incorrect. Then option B, deep ecology try to adjust with modernity. Okay, so we discussed anthropocentric is not related to deep ecology, it's shallow ecology. Why you guys making such kind of mistake? Okay, so be serious about your preparation. Then option B, deep ecology try to adjust with modernity. No, deep ecology totally eliminate the idea of capitalist. They believe the idea of eco-socialism. Okay, who criticize the capitalism idea? Why guys you are not serious? Okay, it is also incorrect. Shallow ecology believes humans are equal to other creatures. No, shallow ecology believes humans are superior. Humans are above all the planet, all the creatures. Okay, so why you guys mistake? Do silly mistake here. Okay, so be serious. Then ecologism as a contemporary political ideology became famous in 1870s. No, are you serious? It's 1970s. Okay, so that's why all the option are incorrect. They ask the question, choose the correct, and there is no one single option is correct. That's why option 4 is the answer, none of the above. Okay, how was this question? So this was the top level questions, and SSP cannot dare to make question, but you should know that thing. Okay, then moving to the next question, question number 34. We are at the last moment. So option A, Gaia hypothesis, James Lovelock. Option B, ecology, community and lifestyle, Ernest Nice. Option C, small is beautiful, Ernest Frederick. Ernest Frederick means E.F. Schumacher. Okay, E.F. Schumacher, also known as Ernest Frederick. Option D, socialism and survival, Bandana Shiba. So you need to find the incorrect. And guys, here is the time is off. So the answer of this question is option D, socialism and survival by Rudolf Behero. Okay, Rudolf Behero, he is a eco-socialist thinker. Okay, eco-socialism thinker. I have already taught you in the class, so hope you hope you was there in the class. So next question in front of you, match of the following question, deep ecology, ideological reductionism, categorical imperative and analytic charter. This side the concept of for freedom, critique to anthropocentric worldview, no significant development of counter ideology, only rigid to the existing paradigm, universal principle to treat individual as and in itself. So we need to find the like which is the match. So match of the following, you need to match here. And here the time is off. So deep ecology, as we already discussed, it is critique to anthropocentric worldview. Okay, anthropocentric worldview. By basically doing that thing, you can get the answer. Option C is the answer. Okay, it's very easy question. And ideological reductionisms, this one, categorical imperative, basically sorry, my mistake, ideological reductionism, this one, option option B, okay, correct. I was confused. Okay, then categorical imperatism, this one, and analytic charter, this one. Okay, so this was the correct match. Okay, moving to the next question, which among the following talk about law has 4 elements: command, sanction, duty and sovereign. Okay, so option A, Bentham, B, Austin, Granville Austin, and C, John Austin, and D, HLA Hart. Okay, so law has a 4 element: command, sanction, duty and sovereign. Like there is a mentioned concept in the syllabus, the concept of law, and also question from there. So we have already discussed that thing, so we should cover that as well. So guys, here the time is off. Answer of this question is option C, John Austin. Okay, John Austin talks about 4 elements of law. And do remember this thing, that 4 elements of law is command, sanction, duty and sovereign, because that can be also possible that which of the following is the elements of law or not according to John Austin. Then moving to the next question, who said liberty is a positive power of doing or enjoying something worth of doing? Okay, so your time is start, so you need to find the keyword. Okay, so if you remember, I told you that the technique to attend the statement based question, who said, who talk about, okay, according to whom this one. So just find out the key term associated with the thinker, then you can good to go. And here the time is off, so here the answer is basically like guys, there was a small mistake, I would like to apologize here. So ignore this option and this question is going to be dropped. Okay, you will all get the 1.5 mark because the like answer of this question is th green, and no out of this option mention about th green, that's why this question has dropped. So I apologize for that. You all will get the yourself the 1.5 marks. Okay, so do add this score in your like marks calculation mark. Okay, okay, so this question was dropped. Okay, then moving to the second last question, who said different goods ought to be distributed differently according to the different social meaning given by the member. Okay, so like your time start right now. Since this video is going too long, but trust me, it's very important content, and if you are able to solve this level of question, then you are ready for the examination for such topic, political theory. Okay, and here the time is off guys, option C is answer. So Michael Walzer. Okay, we have already discussed it. Then here is the last questions in front of you, that justice is open. Justice means is one person, one duty, one class, one work. So theory of proportionate justice, justice is the first virtue of society. Okay, here the society. Then the global justice, then thinker Aristotle, Thomas Pogge, Rawls and Plato. So you need to match the thinker and the idea justice. So it's very easy question, hope there is no requirement of the too much times. So answer is basically this one, Plato. So by one option matching we will get the answer. Option B is the answer here. So guys, this is all about from my side. Thank you everyone for being part of this lesson and motivate me for making such content for all of you. And would like to request to all of you, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and do share with your friend, because I need your help to connect with more aspirants, and also for their development and their like chance, because there is a lot of guys are there who are unable to get such kind of content and the things, because in every platform you will go there was money and they're hungry for the price. So I am here for helping those people that those are unable to provide the money for joining any kind of paid course, because I was also from same kind of background and I can understand the pain. So that's why I really want to help you guys. Okay, so this is all about from my side. Hope you all are getting too much help from this content. And last, I would like to request to all of you that please share your please calculate your score and try to share with me, because I will accordingly provide you the cutoff of these sessions. Okay, I will provide the cutoff of these sessions. Okay, so if you really want to know the cutoff of this question, try to share with me the scorecard, and accordingly I also will let you know the expected cutoff in our upcoming examination if you will do this kind of homework. Okay, if you will not respond this thing, let you know, I will also do the same kind of response to you. So thank you guys. Thank you apart all things. Thank you so much for being part of this mohim. Okay, thank you guys, have a nice day.